Welcome to today's tutorial on building apps, automations, and products without coding. We're going to explore some amazing tools that can help you create amazing experiences without requiring any technical expertise. First, let's talk about Bubble. This is a popular platform for building web applications and workflows. With Bubble, you can create custom interfaces, connect to APIs, and even add e-commerce functionality to your projects. Another tool worth mentioning is Adalo. This platform allows you to build mobile and web applications without writing any code. Adalo uses a drag-and-drop interface to help you create custom layouts, add features, and even integrate with third-party services. If you're interested in automating tasks and workflows, Zapier is a great tool to check out. This platform connects to hundreds of different apps and services, allowing you to automate tasks and create custom workflows. We'll also be talking about Canva, a popular design platform that can help you create stunning graphics and visual elements for your projects. With Canva, you can create custom logos, social media graphics, and even interactive presentations. Lastly, let's mention velox-ai, a platform that allows you to build custom mobile and web applications without coding. velox-ai uses a drag-and-drop interface to help you create custom layouts, add features, and even integrate with third-party services. These are just a few of the many tools available for building apps, automations, and products without coding. By using these tools, you can create amazing experiences that can help you achieve your goals and grow your business. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or small business owner, these tools can help you create custom solutions that meet your needs. So let's dive in and explore these tools in more detail. We'll be covering tutorials, tips, and best practices for using these tools to build amazing apps, automations, and products. So, let's get started and see what we can create.